Welcome to the Frasers Cars video walk round for this Toyota Yaris we now have available. This is a 70 plate Toyota Yaris 1.5 hybrid XL 5-door automatic, finished in metallic grey. It's covered just under 20,000 miles. It was last serviced by Western Toyota on the 4th of December 2023 at 15,970 miles. It comes with 2 keys. A great specification including keyless entry with push button start, rear privacy glass, diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors with rear parking camera, front LED daytime running lights, front and rear electric windows, electrically operated and power folding door mirrors, automatic headlights and rain sensing front wipers. Inside, the driver's seat's height adjustable, steering wheel is reach and brake adjustable. There's also steering wheel audio controls and cruise control, traffic sign recognition along with lane departure warning, dual zone climate control as well, USB input, DAB radio and Bluetooth along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In the back there's 3 3-point seat belts, and the outer rear seats have Isofix child seat preparation. Into the boot, rear parcel shelf is present, and it's a 60-40 split fold on the rear seats. So this car is available to view at Frasers of Falkirk MG. You can find us at Glasgow Road in Camelin, Falkirk. The postcode is FK14JQ. You can also view the car online at www.fraserscars.co.uk. From there you can reserve the car online, get finance quotations and also apply for finance online. If you'd like to give the sales team a call, they're available on 01324 632 333. Thanks for watching.